Hello, my name is Abbas Ali. I'm spoken English and Arts trainer at All Success. Today, I'll teach you few collocations, but before that, I want to tell you that what you guys need to do. Please do not stop learning English. Make a habit that you will learn on daily basis a few things which are important for you to listen, to read, to learn the correct pronunciation and other stuff. Keep doing. Be consistent in your learning. Let's start with our topic today. These are the collocations with the word do. The very first one is do business. That is, it's been a pleasure to do business with you. It's been a pleasure to do business with you. So you will use that as doing a business. Do the crossword. I like to sit down and do the crosswords. I like to sit down and do the crosswords. Another way that you can use do damage. That is how you can use it. Did the food do much damage? Did the food do much damage? Next one is do exercise. Do exercise. You can use it. I really enjoy doing exercise every day. I really enjoy doing exercise every day. So doing exercise is the next one. Do experiments. Do experiment. In my business, we have to do experiments every day. In my business, we have to do experiments every day. Do laundry. Do laundry. She loves to do laundry. She loves to do laundry. So you have seen these collocations are really important. They are very easy. They are very useful in enriching your vocabulary, and it gives you immense knowledge, and they are very easy to use. So keep using them, keep learning them. There are a few more that I'll do. So if you listen my video again and again, you will feel it quite easy to learn and to remember them as well. So let's do a few more collocations with do. Do a course. Do a course means to do a course in some subject, like I want to do a course in math. I want to do a course in math. Do a deal. Do a deal. The unions are ready to do a deal over pay. The unions are ready to do a deal over pay. Next one is do a favor. Means you do some kind gesture with someone. Couldn't you do a favor and leave me alone? Wouldn't you do me a favor and leave me alone? The next one is do a report. Do a report. Could you do a report for me? Could you do a report for me? Do everything. You can't do everything by yourself. Let me help you. You can't do everything by yourself. Let me help you. Do badly. Do badly. Children do badly at school for a variety of reasons. Children do bad at school for a variety of reasons. So see, these are the collocations with the verb do. Make sure you learn them. Listen this video carefully, and if you are finding difficulty to remember this, listen this video again. Listening will help you to remember them because they are used in sentences. You can use in some other sentences. Make sure you let me know in the comments how you use these collocations. Thank you.